from the Rangpur division of Bangladesh. It is known for its simplicity and rice flavors, reflecting the cultural and agricultural practices of the area. Key features of Sholka. The method of cooking Sholka often involves slow cooking or steaming, which enhances its taste and retains the nutritional value of the ingredients. It may also involve unique spices and herbs indigenous to the Rangpur region. Shulka is often prepared during special occasions, family gatherings, and festivals in Rangpur. It represents the hospitality and warmth of the local people as it is frequently served to guests. Unique traits. What makes Shulka stand out is its connection to the local lifestyle and traditions. It is a dish that blends simplicity with depth, showcasing the natural bounty of Rangpur. While shulka is a traditional dish, it has started gaining popularity in urban areas and among food enthusiasts who appreciate its authentic taste and cultural value.